come to a new solution for apnea, which is appliance. We call it marbi. It is something that expands the palate and expand the nasal cavity. So it expands inside the mouth, expands inside the nose, not the nose itself, the bone inside the nose. And after that, we use facial mask, advance the maxillary, advance the palate, and advance the lower jaw. Then we free the airway, all the airway from the nose up and down to the hypopharynx. This technique helps the people to sleep better, to breathe better, and to wake up fresh. This technique is non-surgical, no pain, and it takes 3 to 4 months to have it done. And this technique, you see the results right away after we put the appliance inside the mouth. You don't have to wait 6 months or 2 years, or right away. 5 minutes after, you will see the progress, and you start to feel that the air start to go through your nose. And you will sleep right 5-6 hours non-stop, and you will not wake up like 3, 4, 5 times at night to go to the bathroom. And you will wake up fresh and feeling that you got your rest, and during the day you feel yourself active and you still have energy to do your work and to do your life.